Okay, we're going to start with page 34, angles. Now I asked you to make notes on the angles for this reason. We're going to be working with right angles, straight angles, revolutions, acute angles, obtuse, and reflex throughout this year. We'll add some on and add some facts on as we go, but for now, you need to make notes on these ones in your books for me in Maths Book 1. Now let's go on to this table on page 35. Now on page 35 they asked you, now you need to identify the angles for angle A, B and C. So we're going to start with number 1 and I'm going to show you how is the easy way to identify which angle it is. So we're going to start with A. Now we know that a right angle is a straight angle with a square, alright? So I'm going to just redraw these for you, just so that I can do it with you. So basically you're going to pretend that I'm there with you. So we're going to use our ruler, and we're going to look at A. Now if I make a straight line there, and I draw my square there, okay, now you need to look. It is smaller than a right angle. Now let's see what your previous page says. Angles that are smaller than right angles are called acute angles. So immediately we're going to say, or we can know that A is a acute. And you'll copy this into your book and you'll fill it in. Now let's look at angle B. I'm going to do the same thing. And take our ruler. Going to make a straight line from the corner. It is smaller than 90 degree or smaller than a right angle, so therefore B is also a acute angle. Now let's look at C. Now C is a very different one. So if we put our ruler right up against C there, and we're going to draw a line there to make example that it's a right angle. Now immediately we're going to see it's bigger than a right angle. See, there's the right angle. It is bigger because it passed that line. So let's see what your book says. So angles that are smaller than right angles are acute. Angles that are bigger than a right angle but smaller than a straight line, which is the one here, are called obtuse. Now let's see. It is bigger than a right angle, therefore it is a obtuse. And that's how you're going to do this section.